In this video, we will tell you more about the PVC Pipe Cutter Tool and how you can use it to cut thin or thick pipes like the ones in front of us. The first thing you need to know is how to use it. The tool has a lock on the bottom of its handle, which you need to press. That will open the handles for use and make the blades on top go wider apart from each other. Then, you can place whatever you want to cut between the blades and start bringing the handles together like scissors so that the blades join together and cut any object you place between them. The blades on PVC pipe cutters are also adjustable, so you can move them further apart or closer together. That way, it is easy to fit most things between the blades. If you want to fit something small, slightly move the right handle towards the inside so that the blades join closer. If you want to fit something larger, slightly move the right handle towards the outside instead, and the blades will go further apart. That will give you more room to fit things. After placing something inside, keep moving the handles like a scissor, and they will cut through almost everything. That is how you can use a PVC pipe cutter. Once you are done, just place the lock on its handles before setting it aside. Now we will attempt to use the tool on a pipe. First, let's try to see what would happen if we try to cut it with a saw blade like this one. The pipe will not cut despite using so much force. But the PVC pipe cutter would do the job much more effectively and quicker. Just place the pipe inside the tool from where you want to cut it, and then start bringing the blades together. You can see how easily we were able to cut the pipe with the cutter compared to the saw blade. The last pipe was a little thin, so now we will show you how to cut thick pipes like this one too. Place the pipe in the cutter and keep pressing the handle so that the blade goes through it. Splitting most pipes in pieces is that simple thanks to this tool. You saw how easy it was for us to use a PVC pipe cutter for cutting pipes. But that is not the only use for this handy tool. It can also be super helpful if you do gardening, because you can use a PVC pipe cutter to trim branches as precisely as you want. We will show you how to do this now. Place the branch or twig that you want to cut inside the tool like this and start chopping away. It's very easy to keep your trees trimmed because of this tool, and it is great for branches of most sizes on any bush. Now that you've seen what a PVC pipe cutter is and what things it is useful for, we hope you have a better understanding of the tool. Subscribe to Hooked on Tool if you liked the video, and check out the channel for more content.